Hi, it's Kurt with MILWAUKEE Tool. I'm up here in Grand Forks at Acme Tools, and today I'm really excited to show you our 21-inch self-propelled dual battery lawnmower. This lawnmower is going to be full throttle under 1 second. It's going to have more torque than a 200cc gas unit, and it's going to be able to cut for up to 1 hour or a half acre. Some really cool features on it. It's going to have 4 LED lights, so 180 degree of lighting, 2 on the front, 2 on the sides. It's going to have the fuel gauge on the back, and then it's going to have a 1-point adjustment to go from 1 to 4 inches as well. This mower is going to have 3-in-1 grass management. It's going to have a rear side discharge, a mulch, and a bag. So this mower is going to have 0 gas headaches. To start it up, you're going to just pull this bar down and turn it on. Some other features on here are going to be the headlights here. We have a high lift mode, so when it's off the ground, they're going to get more blade speed for right here. And then finally, we have 2 different modes for variable speed. We have a dial that's going to tune it in to 1.5 to 4 miles per hour, and then we have variable speed on the thumbs as well. Thank you for watching, and always remember, do your best work.